So guys, this is what we're going to be expecting for the day on our gold. So first thing first, to those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you don't to click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel, guys, so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you would not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's see what the market will be doing for us for the day. Let's start with the trend right here, guys. Remember, know your trend. That is the first thing, know your trend. Second, you need to trade with the trend. Now, if you take a look at the prediction we did previously, right? Our prediction was that gold will give us a pullback. Once it gives us the pullback, then we will be anticipating for a sell, right? Then we are going to anticipate for the sell. So market has not given us this pullback. Is this pullback over? And is the sell about to play out? Is what we are going to be analyzing very soon. So make sure you subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Now, the first thing before we take a trade, we need to know what the trend is. And as you can see on our gold, we are in a downtrend. We can clearly see it. Gold is trending to the downside. It is very much bearish, right? Gold is on a bearish move. Now, guys, if you see this also here, if I to zoom it in, you see that there is a multiple rejection at this zone, right? Market has been rejecting from this zone multiple times before market eventually did give us a double top at this support zone and then drop, it gave us this massive low, right? Now the market has given us this massive low, market eventually pull back right here. And market is still pulling back, right? So we will expect market to still push up further. Once it does that, then we will be anticipating for another drop. So for now, market is not yet giving us the drop. Market is about to give us another push up. So it will look something like this, the high and the higher low. It will look something like this, the higher low. Now market should be able to push up to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting for the day on our gold. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I give you updates and let you guys know. So subscribe in order for you to miss out on new updates.